Paulo here, so welcome to my channel. This tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create another YouTube channel if you already have one. So first thing to do is go to YouTube, of course, and then sign in. Once you're signed in, your icon will change to this one. As you can see, I'm signed in to my current channel. If I go to settings, click on add or manage channels, I'll be given the option to create another new channel. So I already have two channels here. I'll click on create new channel, and here it's going to ask you to create a brand account. So this is like having another Google account, but you name it differently. So I'm gonna create my new channel, keep the rubber side down, and click on create. If that's available, it's gonna continue to the next screen. And there you have it. You have a new channel which is tied up to my existing account. If I go to the top right on my profile, I can click on switch accounts, and then from there I could switch between channels and manage it from there. Um, so what you could do once you created your channel is first customize it. You could add a description, logo, add a channel art if you like. I'm gonna quickly add a channel art. I have a photo on my desktop for my motorbike. And there you go. And click on description, motorbike, channel. And from here you could start uploading a video, or you could go here and click on Creator Studio, and you'll go to your Creator Studio dashboard where you could manage your videos, get some tips, news, check analytics, check the comments, and then monetize your videos if ever you get to 1,000 subscribers. That's it. Quick and easy tutorial. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit like or dislike if you don't like this video. Cheers. Bye for now.